Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about non-return valve. First, what is meant by a non-return valve? Basically, we call it as a check valve. It is an automatic valve that opens with the forward flow and close against the reverse flow. It has a pressure drop. It flow in a one direction, limited flow control, noise and vibration. So basically, a check valve opens in the flow direction and closed against the flow. So it is called it as a close against the reverse flow. So let us look at the parts of check valve. We have a seats and we have a disc and we have a hanging and we have outer body and a flange inlet and we have a bonnet. On the next image we can see how the position looks like. Uh, At the top we have a position of a closed check valve and at the bottom we have a open check valve. Let us look at the application of check valve. It is used to prevent a backflow when a pumps are shut down, maintaining a unique directional flow. So usually when an industrial shutdown they use the time for maintaining equipment. In that time when it has a high chance of backflow of a fluid, so it usually prevent the backflow of a fluid in a process. And next, it ensure a one-way flow in a pipeline, preventing a backflow of treated water or a sewage. And next, it is installed to prevent a reverse flow in a steam pipeline, protecting the equipment and maintaining a system integrately. So basically, it is used to install to prevent the reverse flow in a streamlined pipeline system. And next, it is utilized in a pipeline to prevent the backflow of a fluid in a oil and gas transportation. And it is applied to control the fluid flow direction and preventing the mixing of different chemicals in a processing plant. So it is used for control fluid flow and direction and preventing the mixing of different chemicals in a chemical process plant. And next, it is used to maintain the flow direction in a HVAC system. So it is used for a flow direction in HVAC system, which we call it as a heat, ventilation, and air conditioning system. Let us look at the advantages of a check valve. The primary purpose to prevent the reverse flow or a backflow of a fluid in a piping system. So the purpose of a check valve is to prevent a reverse flow or a backflow of a fluid in a piping system. It has a simple design, make them suitable for a easy to install and maintenance. So it has a straightforward design which helps for a easy installation and maintenance. So the pressure drop across a properly functioning non-return valve is typically low, allowing for an efficient fluid flow. And non-return valve are available in a variety of material like stainless steel, brass, PVC, etc. to suit a different application where preventing a backflow is critical. So it's available in various materials like stainless steel, brass, PVC, etc., which suits for a different application to prevent the backflow. Let us look at the disadvantages of a check valve. The sudden closing of a non-return valve can generate a water hammering, leading to a pressure surge in a piping system. Water hammering is a pressure surge caused by a rapid change in a flow velocity of a piping system, which leads to a damaging of pipes or pumps in a piping system. While generally a low maintenance non-return valve may require a periodic inspection to ensure a proper functioning and to address any fouling occurs. In a period of time, we have to check the valve functioning, and if any fouling is occurs, we have to address immediately. So it has a high maintenance. So in certain design, it has a pressure in a high flow application. Sorry, in certain design, it is not applicable for a high pressure or a high flow applications. In a overtime of working application, it causes some damages in the valve. When a continuous period of time of working in valve, it may cause some damages in the piping system and the valve as well, which will not give efficient flow in a piping system. And the final summary of a non-return valve or essential component in a piping system to maintain a unidirectional flow and prevent a backflow. Their advantages including a simple design, low pressure drop, and versatility, while it has a potential disadvantages too, including a risk of a water hammer, maintenance in a consideration, and a pressure drop in a certain application. The selection of non-return wall types should be considered before selecting should be based on a specific application and limitation and the advantages as well. And that's all about a non-return valve. Thanks for watching.